Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing these stainless steel baking tray pans for air fryers or basically any type of frying that you do in which you want to cook things onto here. So for me, I do a lot of frying with chicken breasts. And so what I mainly wanted this for is that after I'm done frying my chicken breasts, I do like to let it breathe. And so by letting it breathe, I like to make sure that there's separation between the actual basket and then also the actual tray. So if you can imagine, my chicken breasts are sitting here and it's not just soaking in its oil or juices. And what actually ends up happening is that the juices end up here so that I can just re-pour onto my chicken breasts. And so with this stainless steel baking tray pan though, it's perfectly compatible with Cuisinart air fryers, convection toasters, Cuisinart air fryers or toasters. So definitely check it out and do make sure that it does fit your specific kitchen appliance. But with it though, you don't need to have a cuisine art item for this to be useful. Like it's a pretty multi-use stainless steel basket. It's non-stick. It's very easy to clean. So excited to use it. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.